Good morning, friends. I am Rajkumar Upadhyay, as an English teacher in Modern High School, having 20 years experience as an English teacher and 12 years experience as an English trainer. Today I am going to explain you about a past continuous tense. Before that, my friends, I would like to tell you how can you speak English. If you want to speak English, you should think in your mind any topic. After that, you can speak. Suppose you have to give lecture about mobile. Mobile is good or bad. So first of all, collect all information about mobile. What is positive, what is negative in mobile. You make a very good content, very good preparation. After that you start speaking, you can speak English very well. You know, sometime for English speaking, grammar is not very important. Practice is important, listening is important. You should listen Indian English speakers videos and you should try to speak standard English, not a local English. Just you improve your accent, your modulation, you change, and about any topic you need take in your mind. Suppose about policeman, about teacher, doctors, schools, such type easy topic you take in your mind, and after that you can explain it, you can speak English very well. So to make your English easy, today I am going to explain you past continuous tense. Previous days I have explained about present continuous tense. Today I am going to teach you about a past continuous tense. Past continuous tense, that things happen is going on in the past time. जो past में काम हो रहा था, it is called past continuous tense. In Hindi little bits you see here, यहाँ मुख्य क्रिया के अंत में रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे, बैठा था, खड़ा था, सोया था. कुछ स्टूडेंट को बैठा था पास्ट परफेक्ट में समझ में आता है, ऐसा नहीं. यहाँ एक्शन वाज गोइंग ऑन, सो वह बाहर खड़ा था, means that time action was going on, so it is not a past perfect, it is a past continuous, because past continuous work is going on. वह क्लास में सोया था, he was sleeping in the class. After that student structure, first identification, second structure. Structure means first subject, then helping verb, main verb, ing, other words. Structure is very important. In negative also first subject, then helping verb was, not verb ing. Very easy. Likewise in interrogative there are two types of interrogative, yes no type and ws type. Here all structures you should keep in your mind. Sometimes friends, this structure learn and without seeing you write down in a notebook. इस स्ट्रक्चर को बिना देखे आप नोटबुक में लिखो, then you can understand all the rules and structure. इसको लर्न होना चाहिए, then you can speak English very well. एक स्टूडेंट एग्जांपल से मैं बता रहा हूँ, जैसे वह बाहर खड़ा था, he was standing outside. वह बाहर नहीं खड़ा था, he was not standing outside. क्या वह बाहर खड़ा था? Was he standing outside? वह बाहर क्यों खड़ा था? Why was he standing outside? वो बाहर कहाँ खड़ा था? Where was he standing outside? वो बाहर कब खड़ा था? When was he standing outside? Just like उसे लेट हो रहा था. He was getting late. उसे लेट नहीं हो रहा था. He was not getting late. क्या उसे लेट हो रहा था? Was he getting late? क्या उसे लेट नहीं हो रहा था? Was he not getting late? उसे लेट क्यों हो रहा था? Why was he getting late? ठीक है? वह ऑफिस में बैठा था. He was sitting in the office. वह ऑफिस में नहीं बैठा था? He was not sitting in the office. क्या वह ऑफिस में बैठा था? Was he sitting in the office? क्या वह ऑफिस में नहीं बैठा था? Was he not sitting in the office? वह ऑफिस में क्यों बैठा था? Why was he sitting in the office? Just next example. उसका भाई क्लास बाहर खड़ा था. His brother, या ब्रदर आएगा. His brother was standing outside. उसका भाई बाहर नहीं खड़ा था. His brother was not standing outside. क्या उसका भाई बाहर खड़ा था? Was his brother standing outside? क्या उसका भाई बाहर नहीं खड़ा था? Was his brother not standing outside? Just like तुम क्लास में बात कर रहे थे. You were talking in the class. तुम क्लास में बात नहीं कर रहे थे. You were not talking in the class. क्या तुम क्लास में बात कर रहे थे? Were you talking in the class? क्या तुम क्लास में बात नहीं कर रहे थे? Were you not talking in the class? तुम क्लास में क्यों बात कर रहे थे? Why were you talking in the class? So वे लोग बाहर खड़े थे. They were standing outside. वे लोग बाहर नहीं खड़े थे. They were not standing outside. क्या वे लोग बाहर खड़े थे? Were they standing outside? वे लोग बाहर क्यों खड़े थे? Why were they standing outside? वे लोग बाहर कहाँ खड़े थे? Where were they standing outside? This way, my friends, you can make sentence very well. Without structure idea, without identification, it is not easy. जैसे उन लोगों को लेट हो रहा था. They were getting late. उन लोगों को लेट नहीं हो रहा था. They were not getting late. क्या उन लोगों को लेट हो रहा था? Were they getting late? उन लोगों को क्यों लेट हो रहा था? Why were they getting late? This way, student, if you practice, you can speak English very well. Just तुम क्लास में पढ़ा रहे हो. You are teaching in the class. You are not teaching in the class. Sorry. You were teaching in the class. You were not teaching in the class. Were you teaching in the class? Were you not teaching in the class? This way you can practice yourself. If you practice this way, change the sentence. Positive, negative, interrogative, WH type. If you change sentence many times, you can speak English very well. Just वह बाहर खड़ा था. He was standing outside. He was not standing outside. Was he standing outside? Was he not standing outside? Why was he standing outside? Where was he standing outside? This way. So, teacher class में पढ़ा रहा था. Teacher was teaching in the class. Teacher was not teaching in the class. Was teacher teaching in the class? Was teacher not teaching in the class? Why was teacher teaching in the class? This way, my students and friends, if you practice like me, after some time you can speak English. Structure you should learn. Structure, subject, helping verb, main verb, ing. You should learn all structure. After that, without copy, you should write down. You should practice. If you practice all the rules will be in your mind. So after some time, you can speak English very well. So my friends, without practice, anything is not possible. And right practice can make you very much success. So with that, my friends, I request you, if you like my videos, please like it, share it, and subscribe it. If you subscribe, I will be very happy. Thank you.